Hi, Job. So, can y'all see? Okay, we are currently here in Orlando Airport. Okay, he don't want to be on my camera.
Don't put me on there now.
Oh,
you had your chance already.
Anyway, we are currently here in Orlando Airport. And we've been
we
here.
stuck.
Stop the stutter with the speed. Want to stand but I need is go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I live my
What it do, YouTube? It's your girl, Chatty Shay, and I'm back with another video for you guys. So on today, we are going on a vacation, and we are currently in the airport getting ready to travel. Y'all, I'm like half naked. This is ghetto. But anyway, do you want to say something to my people, or you don't want to speak? Because last time you was nasty to them. So let me know if you want to speak to my people.
What do you mean I was not?
Because you was aggressive. Did you watch that video? You was mad aggressive.
I didn't watch it.
Yeah, you was aggressive, and you came up on him like this.
I was not aggressive.
It was aggressive. Okay, you all flights straight ahead. Okay, all right. Anyway, y'all. So yeah, we traveled to the airport. So let me get this footage for y'all. Hope y'all having a great day. I'm getting my footage. Come on here.
See that little stuff you gotta do on the phone? You wasting memory.
No, I'm not. But I need to put my jacket on. It's cold. Walking through Richmond, y'all. We in the Richmond airport. Hey. TSA checkpoint is empty per usual. It's empty per usual. Alright, John. So I'm in the airport. I got through TSA mad quick. And I'm just sitting here waiting. I went and grabbed some snacks. Let me show y'all. Can y'all see? I went and grabbed some snacks because our flight is now delayed. We didn't know that the flight was going to be delayed until we got in the lift. So, yeah, we just sitting here and I'm just jumping on some Skittles. So I guess I'm gonna get back to y'all when we get to boarding because our flight is delayed. Alright, y'all, so we boarded. It looked good when it's closed. I'm trying to figure out the camera focus, y'all. I hope it looks clear for y'all. The focus looks a little off, but we're boarding. We're boarding. Oh, that looked better. Oh, I got it. Okay, so it was on. Oh, I think I turned it on picture when we was on that cruise. I went on the cruise with Tilly.
One of those is focused. One of these.
Hey, but it looked good now, don't it? Yeah, it looked good. Okay, y'all, we boarded. Camera had a camera malfunction, but we boarded. Alright, y'all, so we just landed here to our destination. Well, this is not our final destination, but it's the destination for now. Y'all, there's so many kids on the flight. Lord of mercy. Lord of mercy. Look at the weather. I'm gonna go see if it's up here. Or if I gotta wait for it. Did he say see him at the gate? I'm going to the gate, see where my bags is. This is a big airport. It's a whole bar. It's a whole bar. It's, what is it? It's 5 o'clock somewhere. It is what they say. It's 5 o'clock somewhere. I'm zooming on this Universal sign. But you know, people say that as an excuse to drink. Like, oh, it's 5 o'clock somewhere. Like, if you drink it too early. You ever heard of people like say that? Like, oh, it's 5 o'clock somewhere. I can't hear my ears. I love palm trees. Anywhere where there are palm trees, I'm in love. I'm in love. Fun fact, I've never been to Orlando. Bag claim this way, okay. Gotta go claim the bags. Loving this Universal store here, which is tri-level. Super cute. Alright, John, so we at Shake Shack. Y'all wanna ride? We is at, Shake Shack. We are at Shake Shack, so ghetto. Waiting on some food, while at the airport, but this airport is so cute, y'all. I've never been here, so it's like a kid in the candy store. Like, look at the chandelier Oh my thinking God, like how cute is that? And I want to go to SeaWorld, so I'm gonna give y'all a little tour of SeaWorld. When we leave, we gonna come early because y'all, my bag is probably moving around the carousel. Somebody probably done took my stuff on there. Alright y'all, so can y'all see? Okay, we are currently here in Orlando Airport. Okay, he don't want to be on my camera.
Don't put me on there now.
Oh,
you had your chance already.
Anyway, we are currently here in Orlando Airport. And
we stuck. Stuck there.
We've been here for an hour now waiting for luggage. Because it's raining outside.
It's raining outside. They said the thunder has to stop for 5 minutes before they're able to open
one
up the
strike.
ramp. Without one strike.
Without one strike.
So we just here laying down.
Are we really laying down?
I am.
Okay, I guess he is laying down. Okay, I guess I'm laying down too. Anyway, y'all see the background? Crazy. The weather's crazy. So yeah, so we're currently waiting. But we did have Shake Shack, which was very delicious. Yeah. Okay. Bye, y'all.
Because it's new.
Alright, y'all.
Today's on 3. The whole gym
3
is
hours
23
later,
and 1.
we are still sitting
Might
in
be the max. I don't know. But
the carousel is still cool. It's still storming here in Orlando. Let me show y'all. Not the only person sitting here. Yeah. We are just waiting for our bags. And I'm doing homework on the computer because it's nothing else to do. I don't have to charge my phone. Thank God I got a portable charger, so it's nice. And yeah, so we're just sitting here. Thank God my laptop was charged too, because if my laptop was not charged, I'd be down bad. But 3 hours later, we're still here. Our plane landed at 5:25. It is currently 8:14. We are still here. Yeah. So I'll update y'all because we are stranded. We are stranded right there. Alright, y'all. They have started to move the carousel. Like the carousel is moving now. You can see people are getting up because we've been here for 3 hours. Like, this is crazy. Like, we've been here for 3 hours. Like, this is crazy, y'all. But, okay, let's just see what's happening. Okay, let's just see what's gonna happen. I'm gonna come back and show y'all. Yeah, we currently on the airport shuttle to go pick up the car, which is on site from the airport. And outside it's still raining, y'all. Nasty weather. You want to put you on my blog? You want to say for my people?
I don't know, sir.
He don't have anything. Okay.
Start to stutter on the speed. Want to stand but my knees go weak. What's happening to me in the dark? Can you tell me what it means? I leave my